Hi, this is Mark from Footworx, and I've created a 2-inch wood massage ball that I've been using for over 20 years now on a regular basis, and I'm going to show you how to use it. So we'll use it on carpet with socks on, which works really well to pad your foot and to keep it so that the ball isn't sliding out from underneath you. And what we want to do is massage the foot between the heel and the ball of your foot, not on the bony prominences. And when we do so, what we're doing is breaking up adhesions in the feet and inducing fresh blood flow down into your feet. And our feet are furthest away from our heart and gravitationally challenged, which causes blood to pool down in here, and all sorts of problems can occur from that. So what I'm doing is identifying sore spots and working on them to work them out. And I'll do this on a regular basis for a couple of minutes every day on both feet. So we sell this on our website for $8, and it's an effective tool that's really simple to use and helps you feel good.